Hi, Pádraig here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross. This is the hybrid Luna model, finished in silver metallic paint. It's got low annual road tax, got a full Toyota service history, and it's sold at the balance of manufacturer's warranty. Now we're taking a look at some of the features the car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard, with jet marine lights. Got 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, excellent tyres all around. It's got spotless clean bodywork, as you can see. It's got a large, spacious boot, with fold-down seats for additional space. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a navy and grey cloth interior with front armrest, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, keyless start, multifunctional steering wheel, a built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's got the reversing camera, air conditioning with dual climate control, USB port, automatic gearbox, automatic handbrake with the hill start assist, car SOS function, automatic headlights, and there's 56,340 kilometers on the clock. This Corolla Cross makes an ideal sized family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.